नहीं है जो आप सोच रहे हो.
वही तो सर.
That is not debate. That is लड़ाई झगड़ा. लड़ने लग जाते हैं.
सर पहले होती था डिबेट तो बढ़िया, कोई किसी का चांस दिखाता
we
था.
are starting today's class
हाँ
with
सर.
a speaking session, and you know very well that pocket money. So what do you think about it? What do you think about it? Is it necessary for us or not? Simple सा debate ये है. If you say that yes, it is necessary for us, then you must say then why is it necessary for you? And if you think that no, it is not necessary for us, then please give your logics, your thoughts regarding how it is not useful for you or necessary for you. So you will be given limited time, 2 minutes time only you will be given to speak upon the topic. 2 minutes time to each. So this is a good thing that I have got the names. So just a minute, please. Here once we are starting with Harsh. Come on, Harsh. Take your turn. Where is Harsh?
सर टॉपिक
टॉपिक बता तो दिया, कहाँ थे आप?
कुर्बान होता है.
Topic is pocket money. Is it necessary or not for you? This is a debate. If you think it is necessary, then say why. If you say it is not necessary, then say why. Okay. Harsh, Rohit, Harshit.
हाँ सर प्रेजेंट.
Yes. Present नहीं बोलो.
अच्छा सर स्टार्ट. ओके सर. Hello everyone, my name is Arshit More and today I am in the favor of pocket money, that it should be given. So in my perspective, pocket money should be given to everyone so that every child or everyone may be able to buy anything that he or she wants to buy at the end of the month. And it is a type of money that is given by parents or either by parents or someone else, so that a child or someone who is elder or older may use it to fulfill all his desires. And it may be given by at any time, like there may be fixed durations, or maybe there may be not fixed durations. So in my perspective it should be given, because we know that every child must have an independence to buy whatever he or she wants to buy at the end of the month. But it must be given in a limit. So yeah, in my perspective it must be given. That's it, sir.
Very good. Only in 1 minute. Very good. Yes, now I'm calling.
Sir,
Who? Yes,
sir,
come on,
we are
Rohit.
here.
Yes, where
Sir,
were
there
you?
was.
Where were you? Come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today, my topic is pocket money. So, first of all, what is a pocket money? Pocket money is a money that is given to the children for their daily uses, like if they want a pen or anything, so they can buy it. And it is in India, it is not given to all the children, but I think that it is important as if there is no one at home, and if we want something, then we can give, then we can buy anything from it, but it should be limited like 200, 300 rupees, more not more than that, because then the students can misuse that pocket money for their personal use. That's it, sir.
तो टाइम लिया करो थोड़ा. 2 मिनट का टाइम का मतलब ये नहीं आध मिनट में खत्म कर दो, वो भी नंबर कटेंगे आपके. मेक इट क्लियर. 2 मिनट का टाइम अगर आपको दिया जा रहा है तो 2 मिनट लो. आप 1 मिनट में ही खत्म कर रहे हो आप, तो मतलब आपके पास है ही नहीं कुछ बोलने के लिए. किसी ने आपको 2 मिनट का टाइम दिया तो सोच समझ के दिया होगा ना कि भाई 2 मिनट तक तो बोलो. 2-5 सेकंड कम ज्यादा हो तो चलते हैं. आप उसको 2 मिनट की चीज को 40 सेकंड में खत्म करोगे तो कैसे चलेगा? मेक इट माइंड. ओके. यस, कम ऑन रोहित.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today, I'm going to tell you about pocket money. As you all know, that pocket money is a type of money that parents usually give to their children for their personal use. But I am a little bit against of pocket money, because pocket money leads to bad habits, such as like some small children, when they get pocket money,
हाँ.
they
बेटा
used
2
to
मिनट
buy.
हाँ, 2 मिनट रुक अगेन.
Okay, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Zohit and today I'm going to tell you about pocket money. As we all know that pocket money is a money that is given to the and that is given to the children from their parents, and we all know that and pocket money is very useful also and very bad also if it is given in excess amount. Then the students and the children can misuse in their personal commodities. So that's why most of the parents in India prefer not to give pocket monies because they believe that the children can be contaminated of bad habits by the pocket money. And I also personally do not like pocket money because our parents are providing us every facility like food, water, shelter, and our education fees. So why we require money? And if some people make excuses that they require money for their personal use, so then there is nothing personal. There is nothing a type of personal use in Indian society. We have to depend on our parents, and it is because that we are a liability, because we are because we are working hard for becoming an asset, and every children is dependent on their parents. So asking for money for their welfare is not something that we can tell a type of begging and humiliating thing, because asking for a money from parents is a right of children, because as the children are not capable of earning their livelihood. So parents are there to help us, so we do not need a much pocket money. And if we require, well, that like some students have to go to coachings and there and somewhere else, so for that that parents can give them regular pocket money, not a pocket money but regular wages, so that children can use there in their daily life, and can the give all the
50
details about how.
seconds. 15 seconds.
Give,
Hurry up.
yes, sir. Give all the details to their parents that where they have spent money, by which their skills will also improve and the money management skill will also improve. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. टाइम लो पूरा. ठीक है ना? यस, हर्ष तुमने बोल लिया क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके. एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग हर्षित का हो गया, रोहित का हो गया, हर्ष का हो गया. गौरव.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I am Gaurav and my today's topic is pocket money and should we give it to the children. So, in my
आई एम नॉट एबल
opinion,
टू सी यू. वेयर यू आर?
sir,
मेरे को तो दिख नहीं रहे हो. आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हो आप?
sir आपने पिन नहीं किया.
अरे पिन तो करो, मेरे को दिखो तो सही. तुम किस आईडी से बोल रहे हो तुम?
सर सुमित्रा मीना.
अच्छा, ओके. यस नाउ.
ये अंजलि मेरे से ले लो.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. मैं उधर उसको
Yes,
आईडी
sir.
देख रहा था, उसकी आईडी थी ना तुम्हारे पास. हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
Yes, sir. So my today's topic is that should we give it to children. So, in my opinion, we should give and we should not also give. We should first look at the child. Can he use money? Is he independent or is he dependent? If the children is going to be very mature and and can be a good citizen, giving pocket money for good tasks and doing good works can be a good habit, because they will understand that doing good is like getting a reward afterwards.
शाबाश.
So they will build up a good manner. But if the child is not have a good manners or doesn't is indisciplined, so you should not give, because they can use money for just wasting on bad things. Not bad like just partying and eating junk foods, and also they can also get the money lost if you are giving in cash. And if you are giving your child pocket money, so you should see that where he's spending the pocket money. You should ask him every day where he spend the pocket money, and if you notice something wrong, you should immediately stop the pocket money. That's it all, sir.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. 1 मिनट एंड 40 सेकंड. शाबाश बेटा. वेरी गुड. टाइम को, ये तो मैं तुमको सिखा रहा हूँ, टाइम को मैनेज करना, टाइम पे सारी चीजें करना. पेपर के अगर 3 घंटे हैं तो ये थोड़ी कि तुम 2 घंटे में खत्म कर दोगे उसको. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. विपिन.
Sir.
आ जाओ विपिन।
सर
हाँ बेटा।
सर मैं अभी कह दूं क्योंकि मेरे को ना अभी मेरे को अभी कहीं जाना है।
हाँ
मेरे
बोल,
को
तू
अभी
बोल
क्लास
बेटा।
लेनी
हाँ ओके चल ठीक है बेटा, बोल बेटा। ये 3 घंटे हो गए तेरे को क्लास लेते लेते, इसको 3 घंटे हो गए क्लास लेते लेते, शाम को 4 बजे से बैठी मेरे पास। आ जा बेटा, तू आ जा पहले, आ जा बेटा।
है। Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena. Today's topic is pocket money. I am in the favor of pocket money because children can buy anything for him, him or her, like pen, notebooks, and another
बिल्कुल
things.
फोकस, धीरे धीरे करके बोल बेटा। शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Another thing, if children, if children spending money in good things, so we have to give pocket money, but not very big, like 1,000, 2,000.
शाबाश शाबाश
We
बेटा।
have
हाँ।
we have to give pocket money about his age.
रिगार्डिंग, अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज एज ना बेटा, रिकॉर्डिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज एज। आगे बोलो।
Sir.
हाँ
Okay, sir.
धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा, तसल्ली से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ फोकस कर, बस अपने आप अच्छा बोल लेगी। बोल बेटा।
If a child if child is saving money and learning how to spend money, so we have to give pocket money and learn it,
हाँ
learn to how to spend and where we have to spend money.
शाबाश। हाँ हाँ
If we want to go anywhere you are alone on home, so you can go anywhere with money and safely come back to home. Like some children go to school with cycle, so they can when their cycle will be punctured or another problem, so they can sir,
they can
can
solve their problem.
they can solve their problem and
हाँ
and go to school safely with no help of parents, so they can become independent. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, ऐसे तू इसी में आया कर बेटा, थोड़ी देर के लिए बोल के चले जाया कर बेटा, तू है ना, तो कल से इसमें आया कर और बोल के चले जाया कर बेटा, ठीक है ना बेटा। बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करती है। आप थोड़ा सा और फोकस डेवलप कर ले बेटा, नंबर 1 हो जाएगी तू। यस विपिन।
ओके सर, मैं फिर जा रही हूँ।
हाँ बेटा जा बेटा, जा बेटा। विपिन।
Yes, sir. Hello, my topic name is pocket money. You know that pocket money is money.
Pocket money is money. Very good. हाँ बोल। हाँ
and my parents give me pocket money per month. My parents give 1,500 per month.
per month,
Pocket money.
1,500 per month to you. Oh my God, this is a
Sir,
great
आवाज
pocket
आ-
money. आ रही है, जब भी तो सुन रहा हूँ, बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बोल।
I got 15,000 pocket money by now.
I have received 15,000 rupees by now.
Sir, my parents gave me 1,500 pocket money per month.
Pocket money नहीं, rupees per month.
And
1,500
I
rupees.
got 15,000 pocket money by now. Okay, sir. This is my 1 year's pocket money.
बोल। आज तेरा नेटवर्क सही नहीं आ रहा, तेरा तो कनेक्टिविटी सही रहती है, आज क्या हो गया तेरा
Okay.
कनेक्टिविटी को?
I purchase computer by my rupees.
I will purchase, I shall purchase, फ्यूचर आएगा ना?
And India.
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या मेरी?
Senate. Our India's parents. Yes, sir. I will purchase computer by my rupees. Sir, आ रही है?
हाँ बोल
सर बोलूं?
बोल बेटा बोल, टाइम हो गया वैसे, बोल फटाफट से खत्म कर, 30 सेकंड और दिए मैंने तेरे को, चल 3 मिनट मिले होंगे तो बोल।
सर बर्थडे पे मिलते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
बर्थडे पे मिलते हैं, आई
सर
गेट
बर्थडे पे मिलते हैं इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी?
है।
आई सर इसको क्या कहेंगे कि मुझे आई गेट सब बर्थडे पे पॉकेट मनी मिलती है तो इसको क्या
पॉकेट मनी
कहेंगे?
नहीं मिलती, मनी मिलती है, पॉकेट मनी अलग चीज होती
रुपीज
है,
मिलते हैं
बर्थडे
ना?
पे जो मिलता है वो गिफ्ट होता है। आई गेट मनी ऑन माई बर्थडे। चलो टाइम हो गया तुम्हारा, 3.5 मिनट हो गए, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे थे, अब तुम्हारा नेट सही नहीं है भैया।
सर आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है पर सही नहीं है तुम्हारी आवाज, हो गया तुम्हारा, ठीक है। यस कम ऑन मीनू, आ जाओ।
Hello everyone, myself Minu. Today I am telling about pocket money. By my point of view, pocket money is
सर
necessary.
यस बोलो मीनू।
As when we are in market, a small thing attract us, but we don't purchase it because we have not pocket money, and our parents not allowed to purchase it. That they say it is useless, don't buy it. But we think if I had money, I would definitely buy it.
आवाज बेटा
So
बहुत
that
अच्छा बोल रहा है। हाँ
so that time pocket money is necessary. We enjoy with friends, and we never think that that my friend's parent give them pocket money. So and we know that our middle class family, the parents not give any pocket money. They give pocket money when we are सिर्फ दूर को क्या बोलेंगे? We are far from them.
सही है, बिल्कुल सही है, बोलो वी आर अवे,
And
वी आर फार। हाँ
I realized it when I far from my parents. They give me money month to month, and I fulfill my small dreams like purchase. Whenever I want to buy chocolate, I purchase. I don't think that I have not money, etc., etc. My sister and brothers, they have not money because my father not give them pocket money. So that's it, sir. It is mandatory.
बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो, बहुत अच्छा, मतलब एक एक्सप्रेशन बहुत अच्छा रहा है। कहाँ हो बेटा, अभी वहीं हो तुम? सही चल रहा
Yes,
है
sir.
तुम्हारा?
हाँ.
I appraise you बेटा, I praise you for your hard work, for your bravery, for your dedication towards your work. कितना टाइम तुमको हो गया गए हुए, मतलब नाइस, आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी। बेटा बेटा बहुत अच्छा आप कर रहे हो, नो डाउट, ठीक है ना? हाँ नाइस यार, मेहनत करो। पेरेंट्स का सपना होता है यार कि हमारे बच्चे कहीं, मतलब वही होती है मेन बात, वो पॉकेट मनी है जो आपके लिए सब कुछ हो रहा है। तो शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। यस नाउ, और टाइम लिया करो पूरा, ठीक है ना? और बोला करो ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना बोल सकते हो, मतलब 2 मिनट तक तो बोलना ही बोलना है कम से कम। रक्षित कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is pocket money. We know that what is pocket money? It is the money given by. It is a type of small expenditure for the children that is given by their parents, so that he or she can use the money in any way. But everyone wants they should use the money in right way, not in a wrong way. And but we know that in India, a few children get pocket money. Most of the children do not get pocket money, and I am in the against of pocket money because we know that till the age of 15 children should not be given pocket money because we know that if a pocket money is given to any child, then he or she should not have to ask for money to their parents. He or she should have the money, and he or she has the money, and they buy whatever they want. But when they do not have money, so they have to ask to their parents that they want money, and they should buy this thing for them. And by this, parents have the information that how the children is using money, and parents have the awareness that children is not using money in a wrong way. He or she is using in a right way.
चिल्ड्रन
And
थोड़ा सा साइड बोलना चाहिए था आपको, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे बोलो, ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ।
yes, sir. And so, but it is the choice of everyone that he or she should give pocket money to their child or not. But if a person, a
5
child is
seconds. 5
yes,
seconds.
sir. Yes, if a child is getting pocket money, he or she use it in a right way, sir. That's it.
Very good, shabash. Very good. Now I am calling. I think I have the name of अनु। अनु आ जा बेटा, कैमरा बंद करके बोल लेना बेटा, क्या पता आवाज क्लियर हो जाए। बोल बेटा।
आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone. Today's my topic is pocket money. As you know, pocket money is given to few of Indians.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोलती बेटा, ऐसे बोल, कैमरा बंद करके बोल, आवाज सही आ रही है बिल्कुल, बोल बेटा।
Few of Indians. I also get pocket money, but I get 1200 in a year.
Okay, 100 rupees per month. Very good, शाबाश बेटा, very good बेटा। बोलो बेटा, बोल बेटा, धीरे धीरे बोल, आराम से।
But I am against of pocket money.
Oh.
नहीं, I am in the favor of pocket money.
Very good, बोल आगे बोलो।
Pocket money should be given to children, but upper from the age of 10.
Very good, बहुत अच्छी, nice vocabulary, बोल बेटा।
I want to say a thing in Hindi that if अगर तुम अपने माता पिता से पॉकेट मनी के लिए पूछोगे, और ये इंडियंस की बात है, तो वो कहेंगे पॉकेट मनी क्या होता है।
हाँ तो बिल्कुल, you are right, but you can say it into English बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो।
What is pocket money? Because they give us all facilities, so why we need pocket money? But sometimes we need pocket money because of our small attractions.
शाबाश, बोलती रह तू, 1 मिनट और दिया तेरे को मैंने, बोल।
Small attractions. I am saying that everyone in the class is favor of pocket money,
in the favor of pocket money.
because they also want to get pocket money. Pocket money is important for us because school has many functions, and in them we have to pay money.
शाबाश।
And many children want to submit money, but they can't because their parents don't allow them to submit money. But if we have pocket money, we can submit. At the last, I would to say, if you have pocket money, use it in right way. That is
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, 3 मिनट में खत्म किया बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, कीप इट अप, नाइस थिंग बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड। नाउ
थैंक यू
कबीर,
सर।
खुश रहो बेटा। कबीर,
यस सर। हेलो मिस कबीर, आई एम today's my topic is me. So I am in the in the favor of if I have
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी, ठीक करके आओ। योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, मेक इट ओके, देन कम बैक। बाय देन आई एम कॉलिंग वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi, and today our topic is pocket money. You know, pocket money is a small amount of money, and it is given to children by their parents for their spending, for their own spending, and I think I am in favor of pocket money because parents should be given to the parents should be given money.
शुड गिव, पैसे वैसे क्यों नहीं गाओ?
Parents should be given money to the children.
नहीं, नहीं आएगा। आप पैसे वॉइस बना रहे हो, आप पेरेंट्स को मनी दी जानी चाहिए। पेरेंट्स शुड गिव, फोकस कर बेटा।
Parents should give money to the children because sometimes children spend their money in a wrong way, and children should be understand the value of money and money management, and sometimes relatives give us money, and my father also give me 100 rupees in a everyone in a every month, and
इन ए नहीं,
and we should be use the money in a right way, not in a wrong way.
बोलो, आप बोलो, खत्म करो।
Yes, sir. And that's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, आप शुड के साथ बी को यूज करो, तुम्हारी एक इसको ठीक करो। हमेशा शुड के साथ बी नहीं आता है। शुड के साथ बी कब आएगा? या तो वो पैसिव वॉइस में बनेगा, या फिर वो बी टाइप वर्ब हो रही होगी तब आएगा बेटा, है ना? थोड़ा सा फोकस करना बेटा इस चीज को। बाकी तो ठीक है, तुम्हारा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना? यस, कम ऑन कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch P20. Today's my topic is pocket money. So in my view, pocket money should not be given to children because as we already children use money. Children use money.
होता है, ऐसा नहीं लगता चिल्ड्रन में, बोलो।
Yes, sir. Children use money in a wrong way. Children use money in a wrong way, and they do not use it in a proper things. Like we can see that some children who get pocket money, they spend it on food, on buying keychain, etc. But if we do not have money, so we are asked to parents to buy anything, and parents also gives us right decisions to buy anything. But sometimes an adult child need pocket money, like Meenu Didi.
चिल्ड्रन बोला करो, चाइल्ड्स नहीं होता है, चाइल्ड सिंगुलर होता है, चिल्ड्रन प्लूरल होता है, ध्यान रखो। आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. Like Meenu Didi, because she is far from home, and her parents are also
अवे।
सर क्या?
अवे, फार हो गया ना, एक जना हो गया तो दूसरा भी हो गया ना। बोलो, आगे बोलो।
सर अवे its pocket money to buy anything, and she also have knowledge to buy anything. So in my view, pocket money should be given to that person who is responsible for it. Yes, that's it.
Shabash beta, nice timing, very good. Keep it up, very good. Now Aditya,
Yes, sir.
बेटा
Hello
फोकस
everyone.
करके
My name
थोड़ा
is
फोकस
Aditya.
करके बेटा, गलती कम से
Yes,
कम
sir.
हो, बोलो फोकस करो बस। हाँ
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanawat and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. From B20 today's our topic is pocket money.
हम्म,
So, you all know that some parents give their children pocket money, so that children use that pocket money any food and any uh, parties, because all the children like fast food because it is very tasty for, because they like fast food and it is very tasty, but they know that, but they did not don't know that we
ऐसे ध्यान
don't
से बोलो,
eat,
ऐसे ध्यान कर करके बोलो, शाबाश बोलो।
we don't eat fast food because it is very harmful for our
डोंट ईट
body.
नहीं, शुड नॉट ईट, फोकस करो जरा।
You
हाँ
know, we should not eat fast food because it is very harmful for our body. We use our pocket money for any good thing like
वी शुड यूज, मॉडल को यूज करो।
we should use our pocket money for any good thing like and books and anything which help our writing and
शाबाश,
reading and other things.
हाँ हाँ, वेरी गुड।
And these things develop our mind, not waste these things. And most of the students waste their pocket money on any useless thing, and that is very bad thing because it is not useful for them and not us.
टाइम इज ओवर, अबाउट 20 seconds more.
Yes, sir. We use our pocket money for any good thing, and parents and we take pocket money with limit, with our limit only uh,
खत्म करो,
500 and 200,
खत्म करो, खत्म
because
करो, खत्म करो फटाफट से।
because uh, because we use these things because we use more money for any good thing, not any useless thing. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, थोड़ा मॉडल को यूज करना सीखो, शुड को यूज करना चाहिए था कई जगह, आपने उसको स्किप कर गए। आप थोड़ा ध्यान करो, अच्छे से कर रहे हो अभी आजकल आप, और फोकस करो थोड़ा सा बेटा, है ना। सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे जरा, कहाँ पर कौन सा मॉडल आना चाहिए, क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब आनी चाहिए, लाइक दैट, है ना बेटा।
Okay, sir.
वेरी गुड।
Okay, sir.
यस काजल, आजा बेटा। तो दिखी नहीं तू मेरे को, है कि नहीं है बेटा काजल?
Yes, sir.
तो दिखी नहीं मेरे को, तो बोल बोल बेटा।
Hello, my name is Kajal Mena. Today my topic is pocket money. So according to me, pocket money is very important for us, but it should be it should be given uh, according or age, and the pocket money should not be given to kids, and the for knowing the value of money, we should given pocket money, because we all know that money is very important, and we know that how to spend it in little things, and how to save it, and because the money is very important, and we should save money for a bad time, and if we to want to know value of money, we money should not spend money a lot of, because it is very important, and I think pocket money is should be given us, and in a limit, and it is it given us in a small amount, and because we can because we
घबरा क्यों रही है तू आज? क्या हो रहा है?
सर वो तबीयत
क्या हो गया?
सर कोल्ड हो रखी है.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बोल, खत्म कर.
So, if we want to know value of money, we should spend money for in good things, not bad things, and we should also save our money. And at last, I want to say that pocket money is very important for knowing value of money. That's it.
शाबाश. सर्दी हो रही है, अब थोड़ा सा कुछ ओढ़ पहन लेना चाहिए ना बेटा. हैं? सर्दी हो रही है तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना बेटा, बढ़ रही है सर्दी.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now come on. I think this is the name of काजल के बाद में मीनू हो गई है. सिमरन, आ बेटा, आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा, आजा, आजा बेटा. अच्छे से परफॉर्मेंस डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए. तसल्ली से बोल, चाहे 4 ही लाइन बोले, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल बेटा, जैसे कल की तरह बोला था, है ना. बोल बेटा, 3 मिनट दिए मैंने तेरे को, 2 की जगह 3 मिनट. आराम से, बिल्कुल मत घबराना, जैसे 2 दिन से कर रही है वैसे ही कर. बोल बेटा.
Sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today today I am telling about pocket money. As you know that we are living in modern society, so it is a part of this society.
शाबाश. वैसे ऐसे बोल, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बेटा. हाँ हाँ, बोला, बोल बेटा.
So pocket money is necessary because it is a part of money which is this is giving by our parents.
This is which is given. सिंपल प्रेजेंट का पैसिव वॉइस आएगा ना, दी जाती है. कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोल, तू छोड़ उसको, आगे बोल बेटा.
Okay, sir. So it is sorry, sir. Pocket money is necessary to us, and it is very necessary for who is living outside from their house, because
ऐसे धीरे धीरे बोल, जोड़ जोड़ के बोल, सेंटेंस बना बना के बोल बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ बोल बेटा, बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, शाबाश. बोल बेटा.
because they use this in purchase by
in purchasing. ing लगा दिया करो, इन लगाया तो. बोल बोल, आगे बोल.
purchasing
सुनना मैंने कहाँ पे क्या क्या बताया. बोल बेटा. हाँ.
by necessary things like notebooks, pen, and their favorite clothes, and
शाबाश शाबाश.
fruit.
ये बिल्कुल ऐसे 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 बोला जाता है. वेरी गुड, नेचुरल स्पीकिंग आ रही है बेटा. बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा, शाबाश.
And we should use this in a good way, because money is very very necessary in this world, in this
वर्ल्ड बोल दिया तो क्या दिक्कत हो गई बेटा? सही है ना वर्ल्ड?
in this world.
हाँ, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी. सही है, बोल तू. हाँ, जो मन में आ रहा है वो बोलो. तुम तो कोई भी वर्ड आ रहा है उसको बोलो, बस. क्या दिक्कत आ रही है? बोल बेटा.
If we have money, we
खत्म करना है बस फटाफट से.
we also have freedom, but pocket money pocket money should be given in a limit. So
खत्म कर, टाइम हो गया. खत्म कर फटाफट से. लास्ट सेंटेंस बोल.
in a limit way, so we should use this in a good way. That's it.
शाबाश. ऐसे बोला कर. बहुत बढ़िया. धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से. हड़बड़ाहट होगी तो बैठेगा नहीं. बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है बेटा. छोड़ना मत इस पैटर्न को. अब जो पैटर्न पकड़ लिया तूने, समझ में आ गई मेरी बात बेटा? हाँ, अब आ गई हो उस जगह पे. अब इस पे वापिस नहीं जाना बेटा, है ना? हाँ. Yes, now come on, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is pocket money. So what is pocket money? A pocket money is a small amount of money that is given to the child to spend on his personal priorities, like to get entertained, to eat snacks, and to purchase whatever he wants that comes in a small amount. And there is no specific yes or no that it should be given or not. So yet I am in the favor of pocket money. Yes. Because it may teach us some learnings like the value of money and the spendings, how money should spend, and it is not it cannot be said that if the child is being given money, so he would spoil that money or not. If the consciousness of a child is not at the right manner, so he may do everything of the money.
ठीक है शाबाश बोलो बोलो घबराओ मत बहुत बढ़िया बोल
And there should be a limit about 10 or 12 years. So about 10 or 12 years children should be given money, the pocket money, and it may teach us some
10 seconds.
learning. So and there is a saying that, and spend the money that you get from your parents, because a penny saving is a penny earning. That's it.
Shabash, very good. Nice speaking. You are speaking what is there in your mind. This is a great thing for me as well as for you. Yes, come on, Komal. Beta.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Bhaira and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is pocket money. We all know that pocket money is very important thing for children, and money is also important thing, and it is very necessary to their society and all people. And we all know that I am favoring the pocket money to their children, because also children have some expensive and we all know that we have to we have some things like pen, pencil, books, copies, and some basic needs. So we want some money, and parents should give to their child some money, and parents should give money to their child according their age and according their according to their
Shabash. बोल बेटा.
according to their needs. And all parents know that what is the need of their child, so they should give some money to their children. And we all know that some children use money in the bad things, like smoking, like eating bad things, but is not good. But we all know that all children are not same, so we should respect that money, and we spend that money in right way. And we should also
10
give
seconds. अच्छे
the
से ना बोलना.
conclusion of the money to our parents.
हाँ.
Sir, time is over.
अब होने वाला है, मैंने कहा 10 सेकंड से खत्म करो फटाफट से.
Okay, sir.
Sentence बोलो.
So pocket money is also necessary to children. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. Very good.